This time at Nugget Garage, we dyno the van. Alright, so we finally got it on the dyno. We're not really chasing numbers like a lot of people do on dynos. Was at around 400, although we had been track tuning it somewhat since its last dyno. So it was a bit of a educated guess. Probably pick up a little bit more now, but I'm not too sure how much. The converter in the auto will hide a bit, so I'm really not too sure. It'll be under 500, I assume. So we'll just see how we go, and here's what it is.
We need a power prediction.
450, providing we've got all the boosters.
Shit, I don't know, man. 470.
What?
No.
I'm going big.
Okay, so we're going to give it a bit of a breather. It's a pretty hot day today. This thing heat soaks like all hell. It's not like it's got decent airflow through it. The intercooler's under the back floor. It's got fans on it, but just got to let it get some temperature out and we'll keep going. Shit, I don't know, man. 470. With these camshafts, the boost pressures show saw 34 pound in the logs a few times from Chris at Roll Racing. I think the most I sorted out was about 28 pound, and we've run out of boost control. Also in the VE table, I'm having to start to put a few bigger numbers in there than what I'd expect, so I'm assuming that it's probably out of fuel pump. So we pretty much decided to leave it there. Our temperatures today were ridiculous. I think it was like 58 to 60 degrees at the airpod. Probably about 60 to 70 at the start of a pull in the intake manifold. So we made 471 like that. So those figures are pretty good. Happy with it. We'll leave it there.
Alright, as Scott said, it's making heaps more power, which I'm happy with because it was almost a handful to drive as it was, so it's probably going to be stupid now. It's also a daily driver, so we don't really need a great deal of power, although I probably will look at upgrading the fuel pump in it. We might add a little dry shot of nitrous just to help it get off the line. The converter's a little bit weird, so we're having real trouble getting it off the line. The best 60 foot we've ever done in this car at the drags is the 2.5, which is atrocious, and we really need to get it in at least a 1.8 to get a decent number out of it. So maybe a shot of nitrous will help it leave a bit harder, and we'll go from there.
If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, it helps us out. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can tell when a new video comes out. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. This is Nugget Garage.
What is this? Lemon squash? Don't push too hard, it won't make any power. Nah, it's all over. It's all over. 471, what? 4.2. Go again, go. .6.
Wait, where's the gas bottle?
Attractive effort, 4.6 horsepower of goodness.
Then we'll do a comparison video. Give it like a month.
Oh, yeah.
We'll be back.
Look at it, look at it, 105 foot pound. Righto, Sheldon's turn. Righto, Dallas, you ride the bike.
Helmet on. You ride the bike, mate.
Go on, you ride the bike, Dallas.
Someone's going to have to hold me up, because I'm going to go down.
Nah, you be right.
Alright.
Which is the front brakes? Which one's your
I don't know, about 20.
hydraulic? Which one's the front?
One of them.
Alright.
This one here will be front. Yep. I'm going to definitely need some holders here. It's recording, Chris, you think?
Oh, I'm recording as well, mate. I am not missing this on me.
Recording there.
Yeah, but this is going on
Hold me up.
Facebook. That can't.
Piece of shit.